Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make a heart-shaped tote bag. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this bag you will need cotton canvas fabric for the outside and a lightweight cotton fabric for the lining. Pin the pattern pieces on the wrong side of the fabric and the lining as shown in the cutting layout. Cut out the fabric pieces. Before removing the paper pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern important markings to the fabric pieces. Place the front outside pocket on its lining face to face and stitch. Place the back outside pocket on its lining face to face and stitch. Press the seams. Flip the front outside pocket over the right side and top stitch 2 mm from the edge. Flip the back outside pocket over the right side and top stitch 2 mm from the edge. Press the seams. Make marks 1 cm from the edge on both sides of the bag's handles. Fold the edges of the long sides over the 1 cm marks and iron. Fold the handles in half lengthwise and iron. Make 2 stitches on each side, 2 mm from the edge. Press the seams. Place the back pocket of the bag on the back face wrong side on right side matching the marks. Then stitch 5 mm from the edge. Then place the handle face to face as indicated on the pattern and stitch 2 mm from the edge. Place the handle on the front of the bag face to face as shown on the pattern and stitch 2 mm from the edge. Place the front pocket on the front of the bag wrong side on right side matching the markings. Then stitch 5 mm from the edge. Cut off any excess parts of the handles. Fold the inside pocket in half face to face and stitch the open parts, leaving a 5 cm opening to turn the pocket inside out. Clip the corners and flip the pocket. Press the seams. Mark the location of the inside pocket on one side of the lining using a piece of carbon paper and the pattern. Place the inner pocket on the lining face of the bag at the indicated position, face to face and stitch on 3 sides 2 mm from the edge. Place each lining on one face of the bag face to face. Place the handles in the pockets to avoid catching them in the seams. Stitch all around, leaving an 8 cm opening to flip the faces. Clip the rounded edges, then flip the faces over. Press the seams. Place the lining on the bag's perimeter face to face and stitch all the way around, leaving an 8 cm opening for flipping. Clip the corners, then flip the perimeter over. Press the seams. Mark the middles of the perimeter and the middles of the bottoms of the faces. Place the perimeter on the faces face to face, matching the markings. Stitch 2 mm from the edge. To secure the handles in place, stitch 1 cm from the top edge of the faces. Your bag is ready to go. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments or to message me on social media. All the links are under the video.